You can't imagine how effective it is to use banana peel to remove skin stains, and not only that, but it also reduces wrinkles and expression lines. Come on, let's cut a banana peel into small pieces. Banana peel contains proline, an amino acid that is essential for collagen production in the body. It also contains vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin. To use a potato, should we peel it? The potato contains enzymes like tyrosinase, which helps inhibit the production of melanin, which is the pigment that gives color to the skin. We cut the potato into small pieces. We put the banana peel and potato in a pot. $230 ml of water. I would love for you to tell me in the comments where you're writing from and what recipes you would like me to share. Put it on low heat and bring to a boil. The vitamins and minerals in banana peel and potato lighten the skin, remove age spots, and help reduce wrinkles. The potatoes can already be mashed with a spoon, so we take them off the heat. Now we're going to blend everything. I would love for you to try this cream and then come back to tell me how it went in the comments. We blend everything until the mixture becomes creamy. We remove the mixture with a mesh strainer. Is the base for our creams ready now? We separate it into two pots to prepare two creams with different combinations and ingredients. You can choose the one you prefer or make both to see which one works better for you. For the first cream, we're going to use a teaspoon of almond oil. The citric acid in lemon juice has a gentle exfoliating effect that removes dead cells from the surface of the skin, allowing new tissues, including collagen, to renew more easily. We add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. We apply it to our hands, face, neck and chest. We apply a generous amount and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then we wash the skin with warm water. Repeat this recipe twice a week and your skin will be clear and radiant, with a more youthful appearance. To the other part, we are going to add a teaspoon of argan oil, a teaspoon of aloe gel. It can be commercial or natural, extracted from the plant. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and check out my Facebook and Instagram pages. We mix everything very well. Apply this cream to the area of your face, neck, décolletage and hands. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. You can apply it at least 3 times a week. If you like this video, give it a like, comment on it, and share it with whoever you want. Always do an allergy test before use. Apply to a small skin area and wait 30 minutes. Thank you.